Hey there friends, while our trip started off a little rocky, we were very lucky to book this Airbnb in Tulum, so let's head inside. Welcome! Come in, it'll be fun, I promise. Here is the living room. When I was booking this place, I really loved it because all of these doors open up to the outside, so it's kind of like indoor-outdoor living. The huge ceilings and like all this is just concrete. It's all just kind of, I don't know, made into the house, and I thought that was really awesome and interesting. And then here's the first bathroom. Look how big this shower is. Doing it windy in here. Yeah. We get to the kitchen. I think this is all concrete, just like concrete slab. It's very sturdy, easy to clean, and it came with all these like oils and teas and stuff, so it's definitely ready if you want to go to the grocery store and just make food here, but we have not done that. We've been eating out a lot. Tulum's food scene is incredible. So in the morning, you can get up, have some coffee, jump in the pool if you want to. It's been like 80 degrees outside, so really, really nice weather, nice and private, and just chill. Should we just lay out and just stop the tour now? Let's keep going. I've gotten bit like 5 times since I've been down here. Mel was a smart one and brought off. Here is the dining room. I think this might be my favorite room in the whole Airbnb. Just like the super high ceilings, all of these doors open up, all of the windows, this really nice, just, I don't know, it's like Boho vibes in here. But you can just come with all your friends and sit down and hang out. We've been using it as a makeup table. Very cute personal guest bedroom, and it also has a bathroom. All the bathrooms are pretty much the same as the first bathroom. It's just the concrete shower and the concrete sink. In here, there's a washer and dryer, which I put a shirt in the dryer this morning. It's all in Spanish, and so I thought I started the dryer, but I really started the washer. But that's okay, I turned it off. We don't even have to go to the gym because we're getting our workout in every single day. Floor number 2. Here's a little seating area, a little landing. You can look into your friends eating and be like, hello, friends that are eating. How are you? Nice to see you. A little guest bedroom. We have been using 2 of the bedrooms because there's only 3 of us here. Another bedroom, same bathroom in here as well. That's really nice that they have bathrooms with every bedroom. To see the master bedroom. Ta-da! It comes with water and yerba mate that I'm drinking. That was also very awesome that I can get yerba mate down here. It's delicious. It's tangerine yerba mate. Taking the view. We open up these blinds every morning and it's just nice and bright and sunny. The door opens up all the way so you can get the breeze. It's just been wonderful. Yeah, a little vacation breeze. Mel, do you want to say hi? Sure. Okay. We're going to do a tiny little peek in Mel's room.
I love the room.
Hi, Mel.
Welcome to my room.
And then Mel has a tiny little balcony in her room. And the same style bathroom, all the concrete bathrooms. But Mel got the full-length mirror, which I'm super jealous of.
You're happy to share it anytime.
Your pantalones.
Oh, thanks. Really gonna love them.
We have to go onto the 3rd floor. Hopefully your legs are ready for more stairs.
so bright.
Look at the cacti. So, if you're at the pool and it's shady, you can come up here in the morning and get some sun if you prefer, or you can bring up your coffee, hang out, have a drink, enjoy the sunshine and the beautiful weather that Mexico has to offer. So that does wrap up our tour. We are very, very happy with this house. We really lucked out. I was nervous because of the whole house situation, which we'll get into more later. But I think we landed on a very good spot, so yay. I do have my swimsuit on because we are about to head to the beach and just soak in all of that sun and goodness, get some good food because it's our last day here in Mexico. So I will see you guys all later.